Yo, what's up everyone, I'm back again with another video tutorial, and today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the Wi-Fi connectivity issue. Let's suppose you're using your Android phone and you're connected to the Wi-Fi but you're unable to access the internet for some reason. Then in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix that. So the first thing we need to do is our pretty much basic things. We need to take care of these, and if they don't work then we'll go into the more advanced options. So the first thing that you need to do is go to your setting, and from your setting what you need to do is click on your Wi-Fi. So basically here what you need to do is you can just simply turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it back on. This is one of the basic things that you can do. And the next one you can do is you can just click on the Wi-Fi that you're connected to and just go and forget that Wi-Fi. And if those aren't working, then what you need to do is you can basically just restart your phone. If none of these help you, then what you need to do is you gotta click on your Wi-Fi and basically go to your IP settings and go to static and add a different DNS service here, or you can just download a different DNS provider from the internet. And if in all these cases the Wi-Fi still don't work or it still don't bother to connect to your phone, then what you need to do is you need to go to your router setting, and in your router setting what you need to do is change the channel of the Wi-Fi on which it's operating. So basically if it's operating on 11th channel, what you need to do is switch it back to something lower like 5 or 3 or 1. And thus in this way your internet will start working, because sometimes your phone and the Wi-Fi doesn't really sync on the channel it's working on. So this is how you can fix your Wi-Fi connectivity issue. So I hope this video helped you. Please drop a like, comment and subscribe for more videos like this one. See you in the next one. Peace.